Today, let's talk about a powerful supplement called TMG, or trimethylglycine. TMG is gaining popularity for its role in supporting methylation, a crucial process for healthspan, liver function, and heart health. Methylation is a biochemical process that occurs in our cells, transferring a methyl group, a simple chemical structure made of carbon and hydrogen, to molecules throughout the body. This process is essential for DNA repair, detoxification, energy production, and neurotransmitter regulation, making it fundamental to maintaining optimal health. When methylation functions properly, our body efficiently repairs damaged cells and produces energy, which is vital for healthspan, or living healthier for longer. And that's where TMG comes in. TMG donates methyl groups, directly supporting the methylation cycle. It's especially effective at reducing homocysteine levels, a compound linked to cardiovascular risks when it's too high. Lowering homocysteine can improve heart health and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. TMG has also been shown to support liver function. It promotes the production of a compound called SAMe, which is essential for liver detoxification and health. With TMG, the liver efficiently removes toxins, supports cell repair, and helps balance bodily processes. By reducing homocysteine, TMG benefits heart health by decreasing arterial inflammation, which lowers the risk of heart disease. This makes it a great supplement for cardiovascular health, especially as we age. TMG also helps improve mood and cognitive function. Studies have shown that supporting methylation can improve neurotransmitter balance, which may help with mood regulation and mental clarity. With better methylation support, TMG promotes overall energy and resilience, making it an incredible supplement for those looking to optimize their health and longevity. Considering the benefits for heart health, liver function, and mental clarity, TMG is a supplement worth exploring. Always consult your healthcare provider, especially if you're on medication or have pre-existing conditions. If you're ready to go forward with TMG, consider DoNotAge.org as your go-to for TMG and other well-aging supplements. Use code POSHFitness for a discount. Until next time, Peter Marino, signing out.